Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn Online. In this video, I am going to talk to you about the salutations, the greetings in French. So I will repeat one word two times. First, listen to me carefully and then try to repeat after me. Okay, so let's begin the video. How to greet in French. First, we learn about greetings in French. Bonjour. Bonjour. Good morning. Hello. Salut. Salut. Hi. Comment ça va? Comment ça va? How are you? Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Welcome or delighted. Now, how to reply greetings in French? Ça va? Ça va? Fine. Ça va bien? Ça va bien? Very well. Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Very well, thank you. Ça va mal. Ça va mal. Not well. Pas mal. Pas mal. Not bad. Comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. Neither good nor bad. How to say goodbye in French? Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. A bientôt. A bientôt. See you soon. A tout à l'heure. A tout à l'heure. See you very soon. A demain. A demain. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please show your support by subscribing to my channel. And if you really like my video, please share it, comment it, and like it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.